Hey, what's up coin hunters, and welcome to a £5 in 2 pences coin hunt with me, Richie. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to just be going through them and seeing if any territories have sneaked through, and we're going to also keep an eye out and see if we got the 1983. So if we notice it, hopefully it's the super long shot. And we're just going to see what we can find, if there's anything at all in there. So we're just going to spread them out, and there is literally nothing to it except we are going to fly through them. There's a nice 71 there, 75, and see if there's any territories. That's basically it. Probably super quick. We've got to make sure to turn all of them if we see an older one with the, like this. These are the new pence. So for some reason on eBay people think they're worth money, and they're really not at all, to be honest. I keep getting people asking me, do I want to buy a 1971, and I always reply no. I think I had someone offer me a 1971 for about £400 recently, so that was quite interesting when I let them down and said no, I am not interested. And then they got a bit rude with me on Instagram, telling me I don't know what I'm talking about. The 1971s are super rare, and then I had to tell them that I've probably had about 1 million of them in the past, but still they wouldn't listen. They told me that they probably would. Oh, look at that, that's super clean. That's a 1994. That looks like it could have come out of a set. Can I keep that to the side, and then in a minute when we've been through them all, I'm going to check that against the one I've already got in my incomplete date run, which I think in future videos I will be seeing if I can keep them up. There's a 71. Oh, what's the one that was behind it? Oh, another 71. So yeah, we do get some nice territories come through every now and again. So hopefully in the next few videos we might find some territories, which would be pretty cool if we do. I'm also looking out for, to see if there's a 19 in there, because I'm not sure if the 19s have been released. So it's always good to have a look to see if you can find 18, 19 to go in your collection. And I think it was, what was it, about 2 weeks ago, I caught a community post, don't know what that was, community post up about Richard Hammond. Is it Richard Hammond? That Hammond guy, the politician. So I'm not sure what's going on. I haven't seen no update yet. There's a nice 2012 there. That 94 looks super crisp. I'm like looking at it and it looks brand new. What's that one? 71, 78 there. What's this one? That's a 95. But yeah, so again, it keeps coming up on the news, well, on the BBC News website, that they want to get rid of the 2 pences, but I want to keep them. I like them. No other coins besides the 1 penny makes my hands as dirty as the 2 pences. Alright, next bag. So far, besides that super shiny 94, there's been no territories in here. So let's just keep going. We've got what, this bag and another one, then we're going to quickly grab the Pennybook and we will hopefully have a new 2p going in there. Now I need to, this is a super shiny one, it's a 14. How do they stay so? This must have been in someone's coin jar for years. Look at that, it's a 5-year-old coin, it looks brand new. Trying to look at the detail. Might put that to the side as well. Maybe that's the second one we're going to be replacing. Try and find another 14 for comparison. It's that one there. That's an 80. So did we get any territories in that bag? Nope. That there and that there. Right, where's the little tab? There it is. Let's see if we get any nice little territories in this bag. If not, I'm not too fussed because I think I've just found that does really, even the eyes look pretty good. It did come out of a set. It was, there's another one. See, look, that's a decent 94, but then you can see all the muck, so don't know. Oops. So just flick through all of these, then we're going to go get the book. I thought I had the book, but then I forgot that I moved them out of there into a different one, so I need to quickly go grab it. Right, what's that? No. Now there we go, there's a jersey. So this is the type of thing we're actually looking for. There we go. Now I'm not too sure, I can't remember if I have that one. But lucky for me I do have the book that would go into. And that's the one that I put pound coins in. And the £2 coins are in the same book. So if I just grab that, do we have that jersey? We have, it'll be not as far as the French. Jersey, there's some there. Oh yeah, there it is. So we've got that one already. You see the difference in the quality, they're about the same. So yeah, this is where at the moment I'm keeping most of my territories. Oh, I have another one there, the jersey as well. Same one. So this is where I'm keeping most of my territories at the moment. Let me just grab the Pennybook. So let's move this one out of the way. That's the chair, not me. Alright, here we go. So I'm doing a 1 penny run. I want to see if I can get 1900, where is it? There. 1900 to now. And there is loads that I'll probably never have. There's actually one that was minted. Only one. Literally has a minting of one. Mintage of one. Pennywise, we go to 2017, 2018, 19. Right. So there's the 80s, end of the 80s. Oh, definitely. We're going to swap that to 1994. We got a decent one, but looking some reason it's upside down. Looking at that versus that, definitely just swapping them over. So we do, oh, that's broken. Need to fix that. Let's slide this one out. So this is the old one. Thought that one was nice. You can see it's tied up. Put her here. And that's the one we're going to be replacing it with. So we're going to put that in 94 the right way around there. We're going to have to get a bit of super glue and glue that corner bit up. So there we go. This is from, what's that, 1991, and that takes us down to 2009. Page completely finished there. What do we need on this side? We need, I don't know, we need to keep an eye out for, what have we got up to there? 81, we need 82, 3, 4. Yeah, and 72 I've got in my son's room. So we need to just keep an eye out. But these, I think they were only sets only, so it's not too much of a hassle really. Right, was that 2014? Yeah, it's a little bit better, so we're going to upgrade this one as well. In 2014. There we go. Pull it out. There you come. There you go. And the cleaner, more shinier one goes in here. And you go, there you are. So there we go. New shinier one that goes there, that goes back in there, and hopefully in the next video we get something else. So guys, if you've made it this far, thank you very much for taking the time to watch my videos. I appreciate it. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and become a member of the UK Coin Hunter family. And thank you again very much for watching. And that's our find. So guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coin hunting, and goodbye.